Hello there and welcome to this video on how to make and name folders the easy way on your Windows PC. Now this is for Windows 10 as I do not have Windows 11. It may be the same, not sure. Let's move on. Now you're going to take your mouse, you put that on your hand and you see I'm going to use the rock face here so you can see the mouse. With your finger, that will be your middle finger, that would be touching your right mouse button. You're going to click it. Now with your left mouse button, you're going to hover down to hit new. And then you're going to scroll over and then you're going to scroll up. And with your left index finger, your index finger, it's holding your mouse, you're going to click on folder. That's folder. Then, as you can see, you get this highlight. Now, this is how you name it. You choose a name that will, whatever the folder is for. Easy tutorials. Whatever. If I didn't spell correctly, I don't spell too well. Now you got this folder here. What you can do is, you can right click with your middle finger, that's the right click button, and you have a lot of options here. You have the ability to rename, and then you can see it highlights it so you can rename it, or you can click on it, right click on it again, hit properties. Now this window pops up. Easy tutorials. Now let's see if we can name it something even better. This is my easy tutorial folder. All right. Now we can click OK. Now you see it's named. I hope you enjoyed and learned about this one technique. Please do subscribe to my channel so you can get updates of other videos I may be posting in the near future. And you have an awesome day.